In the Centre for Agroecology, Water and Resilience, I at the moment head up a particular theme, which is models of resilient food and water systems. And by that we're talking about modelling, actual modelling of systems, but we're also looking at case studies and examples of resilient systems, and that could be in situations that have been affected by flooding or sort of natural disaster, or post-conflict or pre-conflict situations of the world, as well as organic farming production techniques. At the moment we're leading on quite a large project funded by the EU, valued at about €500,000, and that involves 5 partners, universities that we've built up projects with previously, so universities in Mexico, South Africa, Jordan, Spain and ourselves. And it's called EcoDry, and it's really looking at how we can jointly solve issues relating to drought and flooding. So we're using regenerative agricultural techniques, we're testing them out in different countries and sharing and comparing results. One of the ongoing projects we have, which has been running for quite a few years now, is our research collaboration with Cuban research institutes and farmer organisations in that country. We've been working with them on a range of issues, including how to mitigate climate change, where they're experimenting with traditional farming techniques, cover crops, using drought-resistant varieties, improving soil water retention capacity through organic approaches. And one of the community members that I spoke to said that when I asked her what the main impact was, she said, well, now all our children have shoes to wear. One of the key research areas we want to build up in the future, or present in the future, is really looking at human health and the relationship between food production and human health. We know that there's a problem in the UK and worldwide, especially in developed countries, in terms of obesity and dietary related ill health, and a lot of this can be addressed through the way we're producing, processing and retailing our foods. So what we want to look at is maybe turning the food system on its head by asking what would happen if farmers, if the processing sector put human health as their top priority rather than profits, rather than any other issue that they currently prioritise. So if we put human health as a top priority, we would grow our foods very differently, we would get them to market very differently, we would cook them and process them very differently. We can't keep on going on the way we are. Everybody knows that, but people are a bit reticent to make that change, and we really want to help push that agenda.